great way to increase circulation and blood flow to targeted muscles. We're going over the glute medius today, which is located right here at the side of your hip. We're laying right on the floor, trying to get that muscle belly right into the foam roller. Top leg crosses over the bottom leg. You can use your hands, bottom hand as support, and we're going to try to find a tender spot right now. Once you do, sink into that. We're actually going to stay on that spot and rock forwards and back, forwards and back. We are not moving up and down for large oscillations. Once you go for a couple of repetitions forward and back, move on to the next spot and repeat, forward and back rocking.